take your presentation to the next level by adding custom shapes and images that grab your audience attention. Hey there friends, are you ready to take your PowerPoint expertise to the next level? Because today we are talking about two of the most bad to the bone design elements in the presentation arena, shapes and images. They may seem like twins, but let me tell you, there's a world of difference between these two, and I'm going to show you how to wield them like a ninja master. Section 1. Shapes versus images. What are shapes? Shapes are cute little graphics that you can add to your slides, like squares, circles, arrows and stars. They're like a visual alphabet that you can use to create all sorts of fun designs. You can even customize the colors and styles to match your presentation. What are images? On the other hand, images are digital representations of the real world objects or scenes. They can be anything from a picture of a flower to a screenshot of a website. Unlike shapes, images are not easily customizable, but they can be resized, cropped, or even have filters applied to them. When to use shapes and images? So when should you use shapes and when should you use images? Well, it depends on the message you are trying to convey. Shapes are great for creating diagrams and illustrations, while images are great for adding visual interest to your presentation. If you want to show the structure of a process like this, use shapes. If you want to show a photo of your last vacation, use an image. Section 2. Inserting shapes and images. Inserting shapes. Click on the Insert tab in the top menu bar. Click on the Shapes button in the Illustration section of the ribbon. Select the type of shape that you want to add from the drop-down menu. The most commonly used shapes are circles, arrows and stars. Click and drag your cursor on the slide to draw the shape to the desired size. Use the Shape Format tab that appears in the ribbon to customize the shape. You can change the fill color, outline and thickness as well as add effects like shadows or reflection. To move the shape around on the slide, click and drag it to the desired location. To resize the shape, click and drag one of the small circles or squares around the edge of the shape. To rotate the shape, click and drag the green rotation handle at the top of the shape. Once you are happy with the shape, you can add the text inside of it by clicking on it and typing. Repeat the process for any additional shapes you want to add to the slide. Inserting images. Click on the Insert tab of the top menu bar. Click on the Pictures button in the Images section of the ribbon. Browse to the location of the image file on your computer and select it. Click on the Insert button. The image will be added to the slide. Use the sizing handles to adjust the size and position of the image. To apply image corrections or artistic effects to the image, click on the Picture Format tab that appears in the ribbon. To adjust the brightness, contrast or color of the image, use Corrections option. To add special effects like shadows, reflections or glow, Use artistic effects option. To add a border or change the shape of image, use picture style. If you want to crop the image, click on crop button in the size section of the ribbon. Then click and drag the cropping handles to select the part of the image you want to keep. Section 1 was all about introduction to images and shapes and when to use them. Section 2 was about how we insert images and shapes in a presentation. Hope you found this video useful. In the next video, we will be formatting the text of a presentation. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.